Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well and you are staying safe. So excuse my messiness today because I'm super duper excited, at the same time nervous, because from the title you already know that today's video is a completely different one. I'm gonna color my hair today. Yes, you heard it right. I'm gonna ruin my super duper black hair using a very affordable product. This one is the STREAX Ultralights Highlighting Kit in the shade Soft Blonde, which looks something like this, which I purchased from Nykaa. So I purchased 3 of these kits because I do have a lot of hair on my head. My hair is thick. Hair coloring is something that I was planning to do since a long time, guys, and I did one, I think in the year 2016 or 17, which turned out to be a complete failure. My hair turned out golden blonde, which was looking so ugly, and I had to just re-dye my hair black. So that was a complete failure, but I don't know how this will turn out today, and I'm super duper nervous, at the same time excited. So I have researched a lot, guys, and I have a feeling that I'm going to ruin my hair. I'm going to talk about this product, how this actually works on my hair, at the same time show you the entire procedure and every detail, everything on camera. This is not at all a sponsored video, guys. I purchased all of these kits from Nykaa. So this video is going to be a super exciting one, and I hope that you guys will be definitely liking it. And if you like this kind of contents on my channel, make sure you remain subscribed to my channel by clicking on that red subscribe button, and make sure that you click that small little bell next to the red subscribe button so that you may get notifications every single time I upload a new video. So without any more blabbering, let's get started. These are very affordable highlighting kits which are available in the Indian market. So each of this is priced at rupees 175, but I got at around 150 rupees each from Nykaa, since Nykaa was having sale. So coming to the packaging, this is how it looks like. So when you open it, these are all the stuffs you're going to receive, and the first thing that you're gonna get is this STREAX Blonder powder. So this is basically the bleaching powder. It's actually a bleach, guys. So it's a hair bleach which you're going to put on your hair to bleach your hair. So these are not like regular cream colors. It also comes with the developer, which is having 20 ml of product. This is how the developer looks like. It comes with its small little applicator. Another thing that you are getting in this are 2 sachets of conditioner, STREAX conditioner, which you are going to apply after you wash it off using normal water. You are also getting a leaflet or a booklet which is having all the instructions which you need to follow while coloring your hair. You're also getting a pouch of gloves, which is really essentials because these are bleaching powders which might cause reaction to your hands. So make sure that you well protect your hands and your fingers before applying the product. And this is the container which is actually given to mix in the product. Don't use any metallic bowl when you are mixing your developer creams or your colorant creams, because that can react with the metallic bowl. So always make sure that to use this kind of plastic containers or your plastic bowls or glass bowls while you are making your hair cream. So you guys know I do have very curly hair, which is very frizzy, dry. So I am really skeptical of using bleaching products on my hair. I'm gonna just color this portion of my hair, not my entire hair strands, not moving towards the roots because I'm not going to ruin my roots. I want that ombre looking effect, more like your deep and dye kind of effect. Let's see. I will see how this work because I will be taking really good care after coloring my hair as well. And my hair is really frizzy and curly, but most of the time you will find me in sleek ironed hair because that's how I prefer my hair to be. You will find me also having waves in my hair, but spirally curls are something which I don't wear that often. So this is how my hair looks after ironing. So I have ironed it, I think, a day back. So now it's time to move on to the application.
So I'm going to start by combing my hair really well. So doing middle parting my hair and combing it really well so that there are no knots in my hair. Make sure that you have really nice clean dry hair. Do not use hair colors on wet hair because that will be not possible. Now I am creating or making my hair color. So adding 1 sachet of the developer cream in the bowl that they have added in the kit and mixing it with 1 sachet of the blonder powder, and you can see it's so dusty. At the same time, it was actually choking my throat because of the smell. So keep it away from your eyes and mouth. Now I'm mixing it really well so that there are no bubbles inside the cream. So the more you mix it, it's going to create that best consistency, which is so good for the application of the product. I have used in total 3 developer creams along with 3 blonder powders for my entire hair. Now I'm securing the front section of my hair, and I'm going to work in sections from the back. So this is the first section which I have taken, and with the help of the applicator it comes with, I'm going to apply the product on the area where I want to get the blonde effect. So you can see these are aluminum foils, which are really necessary when you are coloring your hair, because it accelerates the process, at the same time makes your hair color, the color looks really intense and nice. So this is how I'm going to wrap it around the hair and securing it like this. So this is the first section which I have created. Now I'm going to work on another section, applying the product, distributing it with the help of my fingers, now wrapping it in an aluminum foil like this, doing the same thing. And I have removed the gloves, guys, as you can see, because these were giving me such bad trouble. So I'm applying it with the help of my hands, and these are the 12 sections which I have created on my entire hair, 6 on each side. And my t-shirt is looking super grossy and messy because it also got bleached. And this is how my hair looks after 30 minutes of its application. So the more you keep the bleach on your hair, it's going to turn more light. So as you can see, this is how my hair looks after 30 minutes. I'm removing the aluminum foils, and you can see some of the hair is looking like a golden brown color, and some of the hair has turned out to be light caramel brown shade. So the colors look uneven, and not each section of my hair is looking the same color. So the shades are looking different. I don't know how it's going to work after washing it off. So colors are looking uneven. So I'm removing the aluminum foil, and I'm going to wash it off using lukewarm water, not cold water, and we'll be right back and see the results.
Guys, I have washed my hair with a lukewarm water, not with completely cold water, because my hair has already bleached and it has bared a lot of stuff. So I have washed it with lukewarm water. I haven't used any shampoo or anything, and I also have conditioned my hair using the conditioner that they have provided in the kit. And this is how the final result turned out. I'm super duper happy. You can see this is the natural texture of my hair. It's super curly, it's super frizzy, and I am loving it because I was just trying to get this kind of color on my hair, this caramel brown shade, and I'm really loving it. So you can see up close, this is how my natural hair is now looking, and it's looking beautiful, guys. I am loving this caramel golden brown color on my hair since I have got very black hair. So this is how it turned out after 30 minutes of its application. So it completely depends on how long you are keeping the colorant or the bleach on your hair. So I have kept it to the sharp time of 30 minutes, not more than that, and this is how the final result turned out. If you keep it for around 40 to 50 minutes, that will be looking really bad, more like orangish, very golden blonde, looks completely artificial. But I'm really loving this result. As you can see, it's looking so beautiful on my curls. My curls are visible now really well, and I don't feel that very rough. Since I have conditioned my hair, it's feeling quite soft. I'm going to take even more care of my hair. Soon I'm going to heat style my hair with my straightener, and we'll be right back. So this is the final result, guys. As you can see, I have heat styled my hair just for a few minutes. I didn't put a lot of heat on my hair because my hair has already gone through a lot of heat because of bleaching. So that's the reason I have used just a few strokes of straightener to make it look even and presentable, and only have just created small little waves on the end so that you can see the color properly. This is how it looks like now, and I'm super impressed with the final result. So it's looking beautiful. It has got a shine as well, but surely it's not that feeling over dry, but I can feel a little bit of dryness on the ends. And this time I am able to color my hair properly at home with just rupees 175. So each of this kit is only priced at rupees 175. So I got 3 kits, 175 into 3. So that's the total amount which I have paid for getting this hair. So you can see it's very convenient to use, but you have to be very careful because the last time I did it in the year 2016 or 17 turned out to be a complete failure because I have kept the colorant or the bleach on my hair for a very long time, I think for an hour, which gave me such a bad result. My hair turned out to be completely golden, and it was not matching with my original black hair, and it was looking so harsh. Some of the hair also turned out orangish, so that was looking really horrible. I had to re-dye my hair black. So you have to keep the timing in mind. At the same time, do condition your hair as soon as you wash it off. Do not use shampoo after using a bleach, because that it makes your hair even more brittle and dry. So don't shampoo your hair, just use lukewarm water to wash it off and then use conditioner, and that creates a lot of difference, guys. You will find a lot of shine on your hair. I'll be enjoying my hair, so just keep that in mind. And also the thing which I have learned is that I can't use the glove which was given in the kit, guys. It was so difficult for me to use the gloves actually for the application of the product, so I have used my fingers and it's so dry now. So do moisturize your hands as soon as you just wash the bleach off from your hair. So that's an important thing. And also another thing that I want to share is that always use aluminum foils because that accelerates the process of bleaching and it makes your hair look really good, guys. So if you want to create this kind of ombre effect on your hair, just use the aluminum foils and it will be looking really good. So that's all, guys. This is how I have colored my hair today and I'm super happy now. Today I have only filmed this video. Mostly I film my videos in batches, but today I have filmed only this video because it's a long procedure. I have to do so many work in a single day, but I'm fully satisfied with one single video that I have done today and it turned out to be a really amazing one. So I have shared every detail about how I have colored my hair, guys. Nothing is edited. I have talked about the product, the contents of the product at the same time, the application, how it's actually turning out on my hair. So I have also shown you the color changing of my hair. So I have shared you everything, guys, and also I've shared you how it actually looks on my curly hair and how it actually looks after heat styling my hair. So nothing is edited. I have shared my honest opinion with you. So I hope you really like this video. If you did, do not forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. At the same time, I'm going to put the link of this product. If you want, you can surely check that out. The shade I have used today is soft blonde, guys, which I think I have forgotten to mention. So if you are watching me for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on that small little notification bell next to the red subscribe button so that you may get notifications every single time I upload a new video. So we'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye, guys.